try. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing something really different from what I have been doing here, but it doesn't matter. So guys, I will be reviewing new AirPod, the AirPod Pro. But before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Please do subscribe to my channel. That's how you support me. So we're very close to 1,000, and it would be a great idea for you to subscribe so I can get there on time before Christmas. All right guys, so thank you very much for always coming back, to those who always come back to watch my video, and for those who always like comment on my videos. I really appreciate that. And I've been away for a long time, but you know, I'm not a full-time YouTuber, so I just, you know, try to squeeze this in. You know, whenever I have time, I just come in here and do few videos, and that's it. So guys, yeah, today I will be reviewing the AirPod Pro, and you know what, this is my first time using AirPod, and I'm using the Pro. Yeah, so this is how it, the box looks like, and when you open the box, you're gonna get the ear tip. Like, you have two extra, you have the small, large, and the one in here is the medium, and you have a cord for charging, and also the box itself, where you put your AirPod, so, and this. But God knows I'm not going to go through this. That's what is in the AirPod, what is it called, the box. So I think few features I read about this online is it's water sweat resistance, noise cancellation. Not only that, it is also more than 24 hours of listening time. More than 24 hours. It's way expensive compared to the other ones. This one is $249, that's $250. Yeah, but I got my own here more expensive because I couldn't order it from the US, so I ordered through someone, so it was 115k. I got it. For the charging part, because yesterday I was finding it difficult to understand it, but the charging part, when you're charging, it's going to come up, like red light is going to come up for like a second, and it goes off. It's charging, don't be scared, it's charging. Then when it's fully charged, when you open it, it's going to show like a green light here as well. So you can use your iPhone charger, your MacBook charger to charge the AirPod. So the case, as you can see, is way smaller, can fit into your pocket. So guys, that's it for the AirPod Pro. If you find this video helpful, guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can leave a comment below. Yeah, so that's it guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.